Hi, this is a small example wherein we'll see how to create relationships on the three different set of tables, wherein we have a relationship based on the primary and the secondary keys. Okay, so the question that came from the group was that the relationship uh, in the under the data tab, it's not editable. So how can we create relationships before creating the pivot table? So the simple answer to that particular question is, as soon as you convert your Excel range into a table like this, okay, if you go to data, another one, let's convert the second table as well. So as soon as you do that, Excel enables this relationship for you. Okay. So I'm going to convert these three tables into Excel tables. Okay. Now we have three Excel tables here. So the three Excel tables, it is related to the room reservations. This is the same example that we used during the training program on pivot tables. This is the reservation table, wherein we have the reservation ID, we have the reservation date, we have the customer ID, room ID, and the reservation value. Now, if you need to know what is the name of the customer with respect to the given customer IDs, you need to look into the customer tables, what do you call the data table. So for 127, it is HP, 125, it is Amazon, 123, it is DBS. This is the customer table. And going back to the reservation table, you have these room IDs, right? So there's a room type table here. So for each room ID, we know that what kind of room type it is. Now, the question which we have in front of us, we need to check how many rooms and what type of rooms did Amazon book. Okay, so this is the question that we have in front of us. Now, in order to get the value or the details for this kind of question, what we need to do is we need to create pivot tables using the relationship model. So you go to insert, you go to pivot table, and you add this to the data model. So you need to check this particular option and okay. Okay, so there's one table which has come in the data model. You go to room type, you insert pivot table again, and you say use this workbook's data model here, okay, in the existing worksheet, and the worksheet starts from here. Okay, and the third, again, insert pivot table, use a workbook's data model, and the location you can go and put it here. Okay, so this is the way you have got these tables in front of you, and now you can extract values. For example, we want to see in rows Amazon and the reservation value. Now the values are not coming correct here. What we need to do is we need to now set up the relationships. We'll just create a relationship. Relationship is how the different tables are connected to each other. So table 4 is our customer details. It is related to the customer ID and the customer ID in reservations table. Sorry. You can give valid names to these tables. Again, so the cust ID. So this is one relationship that we have created. We need to create another relationship. So we can go to relationships here and add a new relationship. It will be between table 6, probably the room ID, and the table 5, again the room ID. So there are two relationships which have been created, and we'll just close it and see how it varies. Okay, so now we know that Amazon has booked the rooms for $3076. You can also pick up what kind of room types. So Amazon has booked in this the DBS, Google, HP, and IBM. So this is how the pivot table is created on multiple tables where there's a relationship between one table to the another to the another. I hope it helps. Thank you.